Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be making a raccoon, so let's get started. The first thing that we'll want to do is we'll want to make an upside down U that's pretty wide. Now we're going to close that up with a shape that kind of looks like this. So we come down from our upside down U and then we come back up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put some ears at the top of our upside down U, and then we're going to put some little lines that go inside of the ears to make a little bit of detail. So the ears are basically just upside down V's with smaller upside down V's inside. Now let's move to our raccoon's face. You're going to start here at this point, and what you're going to do is you're going to come down about to the middle and then stop with a curved line, and do the same on the other side. Come down and then stop. And then down here a little bit further down, you're just going to make a very wide letter U upside down. It's actually a curved line, so that's going to be the bottom of our raccoon's mask on his face. Now let's go up and make a really large circle and another really large circle. And then inside those circles, we're going to make smaller circles. And then inside those circles, at the very top of those circles, we're going to make some even smaller circles. And then we're going to fill in this part of our circle, the second circle that you made. Fill that in with your marker or pencil. And then these two little marks right here are the shine marks. Now let's make a little nose with a little shine mark at the top, and a mouth, which is a line that just comes straight down because his mouth is underneath. A couple of little whiskers. And then now let's move on to his body. So for his body, we're going to start right behind this right ear, and we're going to come up and we're going to come down like that. So it's almost like a giant upside down letter J. And then from here, we're going to come down. So it's about even with this one. I might need to make this one a little bit longer. Now we're going to go up, down, up, up, down, up, and then we're going to close that up. At the bottom of each one of these points, we're just going to put some big long nails. So I'm just basically making lines and doubling them up. And then I'm going to come back up to the top and I'm going to make a tail. So raccoons have big fluffy tails. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up and I'm going to come down like this. So the raccoon's tail is going to be behind him, so we can't see the full tail. Let's put some zigzag lines inside of the tail, coming down as far as you can, because raccoons have striped tails. Now let's take a look. What should we do for our background? I think I'm just going to start with a line, just like this. And then I think what I'm going to do is just make some grass around our raccoon, maybe even a little bit of grass right here. This is a good part where you can get creative, so just do whatever you like around your raccoon. Maybe even make a cloud in the sky or two clouds if you can fit them. Whatever you'd like to do, go ahead and do that right now. Maybe I'll make one more cloud. There we go. There's our raccoon. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time.